This is an exciting story for children about colors. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a big, beautiful rainbow. All the animals loved to play in the colorful puddles left by the rain. One day the rain stopped. The sun shone brightly, but there was no rainbow. The animals looked up at the sky and started to worry. Without a rainbow, everything seemed gray and boring. Just then, a little girl named Sarah walked into the forest. She was wearing a red raincoat and carrying a blue umbrella. When the animals saw her colorful clothes, they gathered around her and asked, "Why is your umbrella blue, and why is your coat red?" "I like the color blue," said Sarah. "It reminds me of the sky, and I like the color red," she continued. "It reminds me of my favorite berries." The animals thought for a moment. "You like the color of the sky and the color of berries," they said. "But why don't you like the color of grass or trees or flowers?" "I do like the color of those things," Sarah replied. "I like the color of grass, but I don't like them as much as the color of the sky or berries." The animals were confused. "What do you mean?" They asked. "Can you only like one color?" "Of course you can," Sarah said. "I like the color yellow the most. It reminds me of the delicious bananas I eat every day. But I also like the color red, the color blue, the color green, and the color purple. I like many colors, but I like the color yellow best." The animals understood what she meant. They realized that all colors are beautiful and important. Just because you like one color more doesn't mean other colors aren't special too. Suddenly, a gray cloud floated by. "Hey," it said, "why aren't you hiding from me?" "Are you scared of the rain?" "No, we're not scared of the rain," the animals replied. "We know the rain will stop soon, and we will see a beautiful rainbow again. We also know that even if we don't see a rainbow, our world is still filled with many beautiful colors." The cloud smiled. "That's wonderful news," it said. "I love to hear that." Then the cloud drifted away, and a brilliant rainbow arched across the sky. All the animals cheered. Now, whenever the animals saw a beautiful color, they remembered what Sarah had taught them. They knew that all colors are important and all colors are beautiful. The end.